My name is Lee Steele, and I'm the community manager for the Turing Way, which is a community-led guide to reproducible, ethical, inclusive data science and open research practices. And for me, community management is very much an extension of my background in research. I'm trained in both network analysis and ethnography and have a background in data journalism and anthropology. And this means that I'm constantly thinking about problems, and in this case, communities, in two ways, both at the systems level, seeing how different parts and people come together to work on a project, and the structural barriers for entry on one hand, as well as on the individual level, recognizing that we all have individual stories and motivations that drive us to contribute or prevent us from doing so. And thinking on these two levels has really allowed me to ask questions like, where are there weak ties in this network? Who is left out of these communities? Where are people siloed and where are they thriving? Why does one person contribute to a community and why do they not? Trying to answer these questions requires deep research with people first, before trying to do anything like community management. And for me, I find that this double-pronged approach of trying to understand community at both the systems and an individual level really has given me the tools to do this. But it also highlights what I believe is an important skill for community managers more broadly, which is humility. Being in a computational research environment often means that we're prone to thinking about all problems as technical ones, with technical solutions being the answer in turn. But because technical systems are built by people first, it's important to remember the people behind them and the inevitable frictions involved in getting any group of people together to work on a project, especially if they're from different fields, nationalities, languages, genders, or cultures, as is the case with a project like the Turing Way. And this means that we're exposed to loads of different subjects and all sorts of expertise, trying to find the common ground that allows people to collaborate. The only thing that I found makes this possible is a sense of humility, acknowledging that there is infinitely more knowledge to grasp than a single person can produce. And instead, people should work together to share what they know. And funnily enough, it's the same motivation that brought me to interdisciplinary research in the first place, and now to this role of community manager at the Turing Way. And so really, to be a community manager is also to be a community researcher every day. And I don't think I can think of it in any other way.